till we get to the airport. We're picking up Ollie. We're just gonna spend the next couple of days here before we drive down back to Arizona for Thanksgiving.
It's always exciting when someone arrives into my part of the world, you know what I mean? And I get to show them around for the first time. So I'm excited for Ollie, I'm excited for me to show him around my city, LA.
Yo, yo.
All the kids to one of my favourite spots. So first in and out experience. Alright, chow down.
No. Like, I feel like that wasn't the first real one. Like, no.
It looks a little bit underwhelming, to be honest.
It looks like...
Even that first bar was shit.
Not impressed. He's not impressed at all.
It's average. It's average. Yours looks fucking mental.
Yeah, of course. I know how to order it.
No one helped me.
In the line, he goes, what am I getting? I go, double animal style.
Yes, 44 and 40, please.
You didn't say that, bro.
You have to say
44 and 40, please.
He rated it like a 2 out of 10. Rated it 2 out of 10?
No.
You gave it a 2 out of 10.
6.5.
Big 6.5, eh? It'll be a lesson to him to actually listen to my advice before he orders next time. Ollie just said, by the way, that he thinks In-N-Out smells better than it tastes.
It's good.
This is Mariana's idea for this composition.
My
If
idea.
yeah, because if it looks shit, it's your idea. It's not great, huh?
Can I be in it?
That was cool. It was cool. Her walking
Like, can I be in that? Like, what a waste. A shot. I'll like stand right in front of it.
Like you have to stand on the third. Or
Yeah,
like,
alright, here.
that way. There. Look that way.
I don't like the white angle already.
Yeah, it's pretty shit. Sack in this spot.
Bro, the fucking old bitch inside was
I
like
just
trying
didn't
to
get
flirt with
one
me.
good shot. And I'm kinda annoyed.
You didn't get one good shot?
No. Can you check your flight tracker? I'm gonna run and get it.
What are
Like,
you
I'll
gonna
be
get?
at the entrance. Like when you first exit out with the palm trees and stuff, that's the best one.
It's better be the best fucking shot I've ever seen in my life.
It's always the best shot. And then you steal it.
We're just driving, got to Santa Monica.
Look at
Mariana's carrying on that she's found
Wait,
this.
wait,
She
wait.
got this shot. She reckons it's the best shot she's ever taken in her life.
Okay, relax. I'm just filming here because it looks nice, and then I'm like, oh, it gets shaky, but then look at this. Meow. That's crazy.
Imagine you had human gimbal hands.
No,
like
but
me.
I like the shakiness. I like the shaky vibes. You know that.
We just parked the car. It's like golden hour right now.
Love shooting here.
Yeah, I got the same shot. Yours is probably a bit cleaner though, to be honest. We're just down at Santa Monica Pier. It's sunset.
It's beautiful. We're
It's
getting the
very busy.
best shots ever.
You think you're getting the best shots?
I'm pretty confident.
Bro, I miss that. Bro, I saw you last year. I was in Santa Monica. I saw you here.
Thank
singing.
you, my friend.
You're
Thank
so good,
you.
bro.
Wow, we got to take us a picture together here again.
Oh, can you get me a picture?
Yeah, I will. Absolutely, Pumpkin. Thank you. What's your name?
Jason.
Jason, my pleasure.
You were singing a new song last year. I can't remember the name of it, but you were over there.
Yo, let's have a party. Let's have a party. Okay.
I can't remember the name of the song.
Might have been from my country CD. I don't know, Hard Life Hustle or something like that.
What's your Instagram?
Lenny Hoops.
I was here with another friend and we were watching your song and I got to find that song and send it to her and say that I saw you again.
Okay, man.
Awesome.
Thank you
so much,
Excuse my
man.
cold hands. Thank you.
Easy.
Thank you.
We're running out of time. It's literally, sun's gone.
That's it for Santa Monica Pier. Ollie's on his phone as per usual. Mariana reckons that she got the best shot of the... We weren't there long, eh? Like,
No, we had this much time, but I had a cool new little lens I wanted to try, and I'm pretty confident I got really cool stuff with it. Just enough for a video.
so right now we're just leaving the pier. We're gonna head into Santa Monica town, and we're gonna get a beer, eh?
Oh shit, sorry, I wasn't.
So he just left the bar. Ollie had his first experience of tipping culture, and he's not a fan.
Disgrace, mate.
Hey, it is what it is.
Do you see that car? It's driving by itself.
Oh yeah, the Waymo.
No, is that... Can I
Yeah,
get inside it?
there's no one in it.
Can I go inside?
Don't go inside, you idiot.
Don't go inside.
What are you doing?
Ollie!
Can't
If I sit
access.
in front of it, will it stop?
Yeah, well. Bro,
No! Ollie!
Oh shit! Bro, it got
bro.
so close. So we're heading back to the car, and Mariana's a bit nervous. He parked the car in front of a few sketchy people. This guy got his whole bag out, put his drone on the ground, had all his camera gear on the floor. So we're just a little bit nervous now going back to the car.
I'm a bit nervous actually, yeah, I'm a bit scared.
Moment of truth. We're walking up to the car now, so.
To be fair, he's gonna have around 15 grand of fucking computers if he got inside. Fuck, the car's gone, Mariana.
Shut up, bro.
Mariana! The car's not there. It's here. It was here. It's gone. It was here.
Wait, where is it? I actually can't see it.
It's fucking lost.
Everything's still there?
Yes.
United Flight 99
Lenny Hoops.
departs Melbourne, Australia.
Shout out
9:25
Australia.
a.m. Arrives LAX 6:25 a.m.
Bro, this song's actually a vibe.
It's a long way home. long way home. It's a long carry on.
Hey, fucking do me like that, Lenny. This dickhead he came up to try and open the door, looked in, I don't know what he saw, but he just fucking ran away. Look at what the fuck are you doing?
I walked through and I was like, that does not look like fucking Jason. That's so funny. Because I was looking for Jason and I saw you and I was like, that's not fucking Jason. That's
Alright, we've come to get some barbecue. Are you keen for some fucking barbecue? We're gonna check out Bloodzo's. Bloodzo's barbecue.
So quick.
Look at that, brother. Wow, cuz.
Is that
It's actually nothing at all.
It actually doesn't look like that much.
No, that's what I'm thinking we fucked it up.
Thoughts on Bloodzo's?
Temperature wise, they need to be left in the microwave a little bit longer. Other than that,
Microwave.
Rate it. What's the best part?
It's better than In-N-Out.
I think I'm gonna go on a world tour rating the mac and cheese around the US.
That was due last year.
I'm gonna go around rating mac and cheese. That's what I'm gonna do. I give it a solid 7. It's pretty good. Well done, guys. We got there in the end. How was that? First American barbecue experience. Better than In-N-Out?
Better than In-N-Out. And now I feel like shit.
I'm gonna turn around. I'm going the wrong way.
No. There was this junkie outside of the 7-Eleven and he was just yelling shit at Jason and they were shitting themselves.
Always pick me, bro.
No, he was yelling at them.
We're gonna go.
And I said, I'm gonna get off. He's not gonna do anything to me. And they're like, no, don't get out. Ollie's like, nope, seatbelt back on.
Wait, is that him? There
Oh, he's not. He's gone.
Without the car, I'd feel better without the car because I don't want him to do anything to the car.
Yeah, I
So you'd rather him do something
I'll
to
walk
you.
back there now. I'll go flog the. I've never seen one of them.
Fuck, she got that car. That's crazy.
Ollie has this weird relationship with his chat GPT.
Hey man, are you there?
Hey there. Happy to. Yep, I'm right here, bro. Loud and clear. Just let me know what you or your friend need and we'll sort it out.
Okay, if you were to call yourself anything in the world, what would you call yourself? Like, what is a cool name?
Ooh, that's a fun one. Honestly, if I had to pick a cool alias just off the top of my head, maybe something like Maverick Sage or Echo Fox. You know, something with a little bit of mystery and flair. But hey, I think Ollie is a pretty solid name too.
That's definitely not a solid name, mate.
Fair enough, bro. Sometimes we all want something with a bit more edge. In that case, you can totally claim something epic. If Ollie is whack, maybe we do go with a full-on wrestling style name for you. Omen Asphalt or Maverick Sage is up for grabs anytime.
I think Jason Robertson's a very cool name.
Yeah, Jason Robertson does have a nice ring to it, bro. It's got that kind of straightforward, solid vibe, but still sounds pretty cool. So hey, if you ever need a backup alias, you've got a good one in the pocket. You know what, bro? You can absolutely call me Maverick if you want to. I mean, I'm always up for a little rebranding fun. So yeah,
Can I call you that from now on?
absolutely. You got it. From now on, Maverick it is.
Tell me your name right now.
Right now, you can just call me Maverick. That's the name we're rolling with, and I'm totally
That's
here for it.
creepy, bro.
We're gonna go see an office from the show
Office.
The Office.
The building from the office.
The building from The Office. I have no idea what to expect. I don't know what to look for. I don't know what to be excited for. We're just doing this for Ollie over here.
Let me just enjoy this.
I'm
Where is
not
it?
letting
She's
you
somewhere.
enjoy
On the
this.
right, actually. It's right here on the right.
This?
Oh, yeah.
That's right. Let's stop.
Is that it?
See it right there.
Wait, I've seen it, but I never really got into it, so I don't really know. But Ollie's creaming his pants over there. He's gonna FaceTime his mate.
I'm just gonna eat my snacks.
Is it everything you hoped for?
No, it's just the building. I'm trying to call my mate. I want to face on my mate.
It's cool because like I don't have to put 0.5 on one if it's all.
Big walk. You're at Hollywood Boulevard. First time seeing the Walk of Fame. Oh, this guy's first time. Are you excited?
He's Mexican.
Charles Butterworth.
Yeah. Do you even know who that is? John Foley.
To be fair, there's been a few I just haven't recognised.
We've been walking for about 30 minutes trying to find Vince McMahon. Good old Vince.
We're gonna find it. It's gonna pop up.
It's going to pop up at some point.
I'm so excited.
Jackie Chan.
Me off guard. That's the one. I'll do
Wait, elbow drop
elbow
it.
drop on it. Yeah.
Elbow drop it.
Yeah, right. Oh, yeah.
You got to give it to him, man. He's made so many kids happy, eh? He made you happy. He made you happy. Bro, he's literally next to Diddy Cone.
I know.
Literally next to P. Diddy, brother. Oh, what's going on here?
Diddy's coming.
What's going on? This guy's been circling for like 30 minutes. Ollie just pointed out my style. Apparently I look like Chris Hemsworth. Do I look like and sound like Chris Hemsworth?
Yeah.
That's crazy. Because I got proof of people thinking that I was Chris Hemsworth in Bali and taking photos, which is crazy.
And I'm Scarlett Johansson. What's happening?
So we're having our first Blue Moons, or Ollie's first Blue Moon. Blue Moon is my favourite beer in the US. Let's squeeze the orange in there. Squeeze it in.
What is
Squeeze it.
No,
Just drop it in. Yeah, and then just take a sip of it.
Yeah, it's crisp. It's crisp. It's good.
Look at that, guys. Look at that. I don't know what I just ate, but that's fucking spicy. Even Mariana's crying. This guy's been crying for the whole duration. We didn't believe him. We didn't believe him, so he made us try his wing, and holy fuck, it's hot. My lips are burning, my eyes are crying. I've never seen her like this. Bro, it is
This doesn't go away.
fucking hot. It's burning, like it's burning. Bro, my eye's crying. My eye is crying. It's literally crying. There's one wing left, and someone has to eat it.
3, 2, 1, 4.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Bro, it's like genuinely disgusting. Like it has a nasty taste.
Bro, that's cool. Go back to our car. Ollie's about to send the drone up. Can't see it, but right through here is downtown LA, and there's some palm trees here. So we're gonna try and get a cool shot. And I'm gonna play that shot right now.
Wait, 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 wait.
We're going over the bridge with the GTA water sewers right now. Bro, what are these cars doing up here just parked?
What the fuck?
What are they doing?
That's so weird.
Bro, they're just sitting there. What the hell? There's all these
They're
cars.
sitting on the bench.
Oh, they're just looking off the bridge, bro. Why are they all parked there? What the hell? Should we go there?
Yeah, fuck, let's do it.
Like, everyone's just pulled over on this bridge and just chilling. Like, they don't give a fuck. They're just on this bridge, pulled to the side, hazards on. To be fair, they're all kind of doing something, then quickly getting in the car and then going. So I don't know. We're just stopped here as well. It's kind of cool though.
I think now we're just getting a shot.
It's not amazing, but it's pretty cool. Actually, it's kind of cool.
Here's the keys, first of all.
Thanks, bro.
I kind of want to walk in front of us. Where
What the hell's going on, bro?
Hey, that looks kind of cool, to be honest.
Like, stand over here.
It's okay, but like, it's whatever.
Okay. Then we'll walk down with it.
Alright, go quick. I just feel weird leaving the car there.
We're pretty far now, let's just send back.
Kind of debating whether or not to put the drone up. He reckons because there's a plane there, he doesn't want to do it, which is it's a fair point. But
That's
like,
the height of my drone, bro!
but like, it's pretty high, bro. It's pretty high, and I think the shot will be cool.
Fuck!
I think you should just do it.
I see all the planes coming to land, so we'll take off.
Do it. Just fucking send it.
Wait.
Where are we?
We are in Venice Beach.
That's so cool.
What's the vibe in there? You liking it or what?
Yeah, I'm rating it, bro. I got some good vision of a couple of shots we're thinking of.
What are you thinking?
Should I say it?
What do you mean? Oh,
I don't want to ruin the surprise. You go do yours and I'll go do mine, and we'll compare after.
let's do it.
Alright, done.
I like them nasty, cause you know that I'm a freak. Bad, make a this crashing out, cause he know it. T only time he seeing me is when he fly me overseas. He just spend a cool 100, but you know that ain't enough. Make it rain, so don't throw it on my. Heard it's the free, 2 girls, 1 cup. Told him slow down, baby, damn it.
I think that's a wrap for Venice. We didn't do too much, just cruise down the boulevard, shot a bit. Hey, that's it for LA, I think. That's it. We're gonna head back to Yuma, Arizona. It's gonna take us 5.5 hours or something because it's Thanksgiving and there's a million fucking people driving to wherever they need to be. So there's heaps of traffic. It's gonna take us 5.5 hours to get there, lose an hour, probably get there at like 1 a.m. or something. You're not happy about that, are you? Nah. That's it for LA. That's it. That's the vlog. That sounded like it hurt.